Welcome to weekly forecast of Nifty top 10 stocks and major indexes. Today we are going to discuss about the gold, silver, crude, USD INR, Bitcoin, and the top 10 stocks according to their weightages and Nifty and Bank Nifty. Okay, so we'll begin with the gold. So it's a hourly chart. Structurally hasn't changed much in case of gold. So here it may be at 61% or below that. The structurally hasn't changed much, but there is a chances like it has near this trend line, so it may go down, but chances are very less. Okay, if it is taking a support here, it may go a little bit up, or if something has finished in the form of ABC, it may come down and make a fresh correction for the downside. But as of now, in case of gold, until and unless it breaks the level of 1790, look for the buy setup for at least 1850 or 1848. Silver, as in the earlier we were thinking like it might be going towards the 26 USD, but if it is crossing the level of 25, we can expect some more downside. So now it is crossed the line and it is going downside, so there is a possibility it might go towards 25 and below that. So I'm making a fresh trend line. Okay, so I'm changing this line to now 25, and for the downside it may take a support at the level of 24, and below that means 24.60 can be expected in case of silver. So stay in a sell, not to buy until and unless it crosses the level of 26 USD in case of silver. Crude, as in the last week we have discussed this, in the last week as we discussed this, like it may go downside, it might come upside and down, go down. So exactly that has happened. So now I'll remove this and even this. So it is now a fresh trend line. So it may come towards the level of 69 or 60. So this may act as a support. So it might go like this and come down. So A, B, and C. That can be possible in case of crude oil. So look for the sell or very small buy until and unless it crosses the level of 76. No need to look for the buy setup in case of crude. USD INR. So structurally hasn't changed much. We earlier discussed that it might be going to 80%. So it has reached 80%. Now it is making correction. So there is a chance it might come down first. And from this angle, it is just below the trend line or a channel. So I'm removing everything now. So it's a sideline. And from the downside, this is on the trend line. Okay. So below that, one can look for the self here. You can get this and one more correction and up possibly. Okay, so here sell only below 74 for further down, buy above 74.80 for upper target of 75 or 75.80. Okay, in case of USD INR. Bitcoin structurally hasn't changed much. It is going sideways, so there is a chance it will finish correction maybe at the level of 30,000 or 28,000 and reverses back to 44 or 46,000. So look for the buy setup in case of Bitcoin USD. So it might come towards the 28. That is a good opportunity. One can accumulate and stay for 46 or 44 USD in case of Bitcoin and USD. Okay. Now Nifty. Yeah. Nothing has changed much probably. In case of Nifty, it is consolidating again and it is touching the high. So I'm removing everything now so that it will be clear to all. We'll add a fresh channel, and from this angle it may be this which act as a support. Okay. A, B, C, D, E. So possibly if it does like this, again it might go one up before it can go any further down, because until and unless it crosses the level of 15,460 or 400 change, so we are not going to sell it. So it may come down a little bit and then go upside for 16.2 or 16,000 once again. So look for buy in case of Nifty above yesterday's high, that is from the level of 15,960 or 970, or sell only below 15,400. Okay. Bank Nifty, yeah, structurally hasn't changed much, but it is going slowly to the upside. So possibly it might reverse us. So the possibility of going upside is less in case of Bank Nifty. So it may correct little bit to the downside. So look for sell setup in case of Bank Nifty. So it might go towards 36,247. Then it might reverse us to 33,935 first, and then to the 32,278. So look for a sell setup in case of Bank Nifty, not to buy. HDFC, yeah, structurally hasn't changed much. Above this will be the buy and below this will be the sell, and here it is consolidating. May uh, spend some time here one more time. For example, this is like a simple structure B and may go for the C. Okay, so look for sell in case of HDFC, not to buy as of now, because it might go a little bit up and touch to the line of 2644 and then reverses. Possibilities there. So look for sell here, not to buy. To complete this ABC, after that we can look for this setup. HDFC Bank, it might go towards 1563 or to the 1600. Sell only below 1456. Okay. HUL, yeah, it is a triangular form. It may take a support. Look for buy, not for sell. 2640 will be possible in case of Hindustan and Lua. So look for buy, not for sell. ICICI. So here we thought earlier like it might come down first and then go upside, but it tried to go upside and test the high. So now we will look, it might go towards upside and then down. So as of now, look for buy above 669 or 670, sell only below 617. Infosys, yeah, stay in a buy, because after this trend line breakout at the upper end, there is a consolidation. So hopefully it will go one up before it can go any further down. So 1650 can be expected in case of Infosys. ITC, yeah, it's going up. See, earlier we discussed like it, if it is coming to 202 or 200, that is a good opportunity. One can accumulate it, but it reversed and went from 202 to 207. So it will go towards 216 and 227. Kotak Mahindra, structurally hasn't changed much. So we can get some upside and downside movement. So to finish this correction, so we might get sell first towards 1640, and then we may go towards 1760 or 1840. So look for sell in case of Kotak, not to buy as of now. LNT, we said look for the buy, because it is looking like a E, so it is going towards upside. So I'm just altering this channel to like this, so it might go towards upside. So look for buy in case of LNT for 1769 or 1760 change, not to sell. Reliance, wait for it to come towards a 2150 and 2000, then make a buy call for the level of 2320. TCS, yeah, if it is giving a confirmation, and we can look for the buy, or it might go towards this or even downside to complete this A, B, and C structure. Okay, as of now, buy only above 32, 33 or 32, 35 towards 3440. Okay, Bajaj Finance, yeah, it is going towards 6445 earlier set, like it is 6433 now. So it might go one up before it can go any further down. So look for the buy, not for the sell. Please do take your financial expert advice before making any trading decisions or investing decisions. This video is only meant for educational purpose. If you find this video useful, please share among your friends and relatives so that it can give some insight to them to make their trading decisions. Okay. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Have a wonderful weekend.